Do you want to become an expert in Excel? So you have choose the correct video. Hello friends, this is Nipun here. In today's video, we are going to learn top 5 tips and tricks in Excel. So before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification icon and make it all to never miss any video. And the tip number 1 is type the numbers 1 to 12 quickly. So what you'll do, you'll type 1 and press enter, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this is a wrong way. I'll be telling you a quicker way to write numbers. So first I will type 1 and press enter and select the cell of 1, and here you can see one button. Keep your cursor there, hold the control button down and drag it till 10. As you can see, the numbers are being printed and typed in a quicker manner. So now there is another situation. If you type 11 or any other number and just drag the numbers before without holding the control button down, you can see only 11 is being pasted here. So there is a method to change it to 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is, here you can see a button. Click on that and click on fill series. Yes, the number order is being changed. So tip number 2 is how to add the data in Excel in a quick manner. What is the formula to add data in a quick manner? So the formula is equal to sum, open bracket, select the range, close the bracket and press enter. This is the process to add the data in Excel. And for the second one also same, is equal to sum, open bracket, select the range, close the bracket and press enter. But this is a wrong process. What I'll do, I'll calculate the sum for the first one and keep my cursor over here, the button, and just drag it down. As you can see, the sum of the data is being added. Now, tip number 3. In some cases, what happens is you need to add the data again and you need to erase the data. This might be the problem. So for this, I have a solution. Now let me select the combination of 3 and 13. Now let me select, and as we know, the sum of 3 and 13 is 16. Now you can see here, right, the average count sum 16. So this is a quicker way to find the sum, count, average also. Okay, so tip number 4, how to type days of the week and months of the year quickly. So let me delete the data and let me type all the days. As you can see, I wrote till Tuesday. Now what I'm going to do is from Tuesday, I'm going to drag it down till Sunday. Yes, using this method also, you'll be able to write the text in a quicker manner. Now what I'll do is I'll type all the months of the year and just drag it down till December. Okay, yes, I have dragged it down till December. Now what I'm going to do is, tip number 5, adjusting the cell size automatically. But now what I'm going to do is I'll be selecting the text or the data. I'll change the font to Arial Black and I'll increase the font a bit. Can you observe one thing? If I'll do double click, January is being entered in C cell, but when I remove it is in the border of B or C cell. So what to do? Do you have a solution? Yes, you do have. First, what you're going to do is you need to select the group of cells, go to format, auto fit row height and auto fit column width. Yes, using this method, you will be also be able to adjust the size equally for the cells. And there is another method. Now let me type laptop, computer, phone, phone and tablet, phone and tablet. Let me use the format painter feature to you to copy the formatting. And now what I'll do is I'll select the cells, keep my cursor over here between C and D, and I'll do double click. And same for the phone and tablet cell in between of D and E cell, double click. Yes, Using this method also you will be able to adjust the size. So thank you for watching this video.